Well, old man winter is coming, and with him, the cold. But if you're like me, you haven't even touched your furnace yet. But I'm going to tell you why you need to turn it on right now. Here's a scenario. It's Friday night, it gets cold, you turn your furnace on, no heat. What do? You call the HVAC company, you pay them time and a half, too expensive. So instead, you call them on Monday and run space heaters. Those are expensive. You call them Monday, so is everybody else in the county calling them. They get there Wednesday, and it's a pain. So beat the crowd and go ahead and turn on your furnace right now. Make sure it's working good. And if it isn't, call them. They'll get out right away, and you'll beat the winter rush. Also, disconnect your garden hoses from the spigots, or else you'll be cleaning up a big mess and making a repair this spring. I've got to do one this spring, so subscribe so that you get to watch that video when I do it this next spring.